In the digital world, where visibility is everything, beauty brands that want to stand out from the crowd need to understand SEO optimization. Explore the important role that SEO plays in making your beauty content easier to find. Look into keywords in the beauty niche. Do a lot of study on keywords that are relevant to the beauty industry. Find words and phrases that are related to your business, your products, and the people you want to reach. Find high volume, low competition terms with tools like Google Keyword Planner. Strategies for on-page SEO. Use on-page SEO techniques on all of your website's pages and material. Use targeted terms in meta titles, meta descriptions, and header tags to make them work better. Make sure that SEO-friendly keywords are used in product descriptions, blog posts, and other written material. Building links back to beauty brands. Get strong backlinks from reputable sites in the beauty and lifestyle niche to build a strong backlink profile. Work with people who have a lot of impact, do guest blogging, and use partnerships to get backlinks that boost the authority of your website. Not only does good SEO optimization raise your website's search engine score, it also makes sure that your beauty content shows up high when people are looking for it. Beauty brands can stay ahead of the competition in the digital market by keeping up with how search engine algorithms are changing all the time. For those who want to take their marketing to the next level, our customized marketing course for the beauty sector is the next step. It's filled with practical examples to help you avoid costly mistakes. Find the course link in the description and the first pinned comment. Tools for tracking how well content performs in your beauty marketing. Keeping track of analytics and metrics. A good beauty content marketing plan is built on making decisions based on data. By using strong analytics and tracking measures, brands can see how well their efforts are working and change their strategy for the best results. Why decisions based on data are important. Develop a way for your beauty business to make decisions based on data. Looking at performance metrics gives you useful information that you can use to figure out what your audience likes, where they think you can improve, and then change your content plan to fit. Numbers that show how well beauty content is doing. Set up and keep an eye on key performance indicators that are related to beauty material. Metrics like website visits, engagement rates, conversion rates, and social media impressions can tell you a lot about how well your content marketing is working. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics, social media insights, and email marketing analytics to get a full picture of how well your content is doing. These tools give you detailed information about how users behave, so you can change your approach based on what your audience wants. Beauty brands can optimize their content marketing strategy through continuous data analysis and performance tracking. This way, they can ensure that each piece of content contributes to achieving their overall business goals. In the fast-paced beauty business, you need to be able to change based on performance metrics to stay relevant and connect with your audience. Incorporating user-generated content, UGC. Using user-generated content is a flexible approach that not only keeps your audience interested, but also grows the reach of your brand by showing real and different points of view. Getting users to take part. Design campaigns that encourage people to share their experiences with your products. Encourage user participation to create a lot of content and build a sense of community around your brand. This can be achieved through photo contests, hashtag campaigns, or product reviews. Putting up testimonials from customers. Leverage UGC by showcasing success stories and customer testimonials. Sharing real-life stories and before and after pictures will help potential customers see real results and trust that your goods will work. Success stories from UGC campaigns. In your content, talk about UGC efforts that worked well. Tell stories about how user-generated content has helped your business, whether it's by getting more people to interact with it, making your products more visible, or building a lively online community. Beauty brands can build a relationship with their audience that works both ways by using user-generated content in their content strategy. It not only gives customers a steady stream of real content, but it also makes them feel like they belong because they know that the brand values and celebrates their experiences. Working together with beauty influencers. Collaborating with beauty influencers is an effective strategy to enhance brand visibility and credibility. This is how beauty brands can work with influencers to get the most out of their relationships. Speaking of successful strategies, in our customized marketing course for the beauty sector, we explore how companies like these implement these techniques effectively with real-life case studies. The course link is in the description and the first pinned comment. Finding the right influencers. Do a lot of study to find influencers whose values match your brands. Don't just look at the number of followers. Give more weight to influencers whose material, style, and audience are similar to your target audience. Being real is important for making a real connection with the viewers. Setting up partnerships that work. When working with beauty stars, make sure everyone knows what you expect from them and what you need them to do. Make sure everyone knows what the campaign's goals are, what material is needed, and what the main messages are. Both people in the partnership will gain from an open and cooperative approach. How to figure out the return on investment (ROI) of working with influencers. Set up tools and metrics to track the return on investment from working with influencers. Monitor key performance indicators such as engagement metrics, follower growth, and conversion rates. This information tells us a lot about how well the relationship worked and how to work together with influencers in the future. Incorporating influencers into your content strategy can provide an authentic and relatable voice that resonates with your target audience. Beauty brands can reach more people, build trust, and tap into established communities by carefully choosing influencers and forming important partnerships, including diversity and welcoming everyone. In the beauty business, diversity and acceptance have become very important. Using these ideas in your content plan not only shows that you care about what people think, but it also makes your brand more appealing and meaningful. Representing a wide range of people. Make sure that your material shows a variety of types of beauty. Show people of different skin tones, races, genders, and ages to show that your brand values and appreciates the beauty of all kinds of people. Talking about beauty standards. Through your material, you should question traditional ideas of beauty and gender roles. Honor what makes you special and real, and spread the idea that beauty comes in many forms. Take part in talks that challenge the way people usually think about beauty. Honoring different points of view. Include different viewpoints and points of view in your writing. Work with beauty professionals, influencers, and content makers from different fields to give your audience new ideas and different experiences. This makes your material better and helps build a community where everyone feels welcome. Including diversity and openness in your beauty content plan is both a socially responsible thing to do and a smart move that fits with how people's expectations are changing. Beauty brands can show that they are forward-thinking and cater to a global and diverse audience by promoting variety. Problems with beauty content marketing and how to fix them. To come up with good ideas that move your brand forward, you need to understand and deal with these problems. Getting past saturation. Focus on niche topics, unique points of view, and new content forms to stand out. Make your brand stand out by giving your audience information that isn't typical. This will help you get their attention among all the other noise. Changing with the times. There are a lot of changes happening in the beauty business all the time. Keep your business flexible by keeping an eye on changes in the market, customer tastes, and new technologies. Your business will stay relevant and in touch with the ever-changing beauty world if you change your content strategy to match current trends. How to deal with bad feedback. You will always get negative feedback, but how you deal with it affects the image of your brand. Respond to criticism in a constructive way, show that you want to make things better, and use negative feedback as a chance to show how responsive and committed your brand is to customer happiness. By being aware of these problems and taking steps to solve them, beauty brands can turn problems into growth possibilities. Brands can stay ahead of the curve in the competitive beauty market by using content marketing in a strategic and flexible way that gives their audience options that work for them. In conclusion, in the ever-changing world of beauty, a carefully thought-out content plan can help a brand rise. This guide shows you how to make a compelling beauty content plan, from figuring out the complicated market to being open to new ideas. Each part, like interesting images, helpful blogs, or smart partnerships builds brand power and long-lasting relationships with customers. Being real, welcoming, and flexible are all important skills for navigating the modern world. By using these ideas when making content, beauty brands can not only stand out, but also connect with a wide range of people in a real way, gaining a long-term place in the beauty world that is always changing. If you found this video helpful, you'll love our customized marketing course for the beauty sector, where we dive even deeper into these topics with real-life case studies. The course link is in the description and the first pinned comment.